all. Welcome to my channel SPS Physics Classes by S. Panindra Sharma. Now, today we would like to deal with some special cases in the center of mass for the entrance point of view. Whenever you see the problem in the entrance exam, and if you try to recollect my video lesson, then directly you can recollect the formula and then you can apply, you will get that answer. Let us see one by one. Now consider the first case. In the examination, two atoms are given like hydrogen chloride. Two atoms are given, or H2 directly. Two molecular system, or two masses, individual masses M1 and M2. Two individual objects are given. How to find out the center of mass between two individual objects? Let us see. Now let M and M are separated by a distance of d. Let the position of center of mass is located very near to the heavier mass, and then the distance from heavier mass to center of mass is nothing but r1, and the distance from lighter mass to that of center of mass is nothing but r2. How to write down the r1 and r2 values? Then r1 is equal to, remember carefully, take the opposite mass small m by, take the summation of masses m plus m into distance between them. And how to find out r2? r2 is equal to, you can take opposite mass. What is opposite mass? Capital M by m plus m into d. This is the shortcut. Okay. This is the second case. If three masses are arranged at the vertices of an equilateral triangle. What is equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle means the sides are always equal and then inclined at an angle of 60 degrees with respect to each other. All sides are equal. According to the figure, all identical masses M and M located at three positions. Now, let us consider this position is A, this position is B, and then this position is C. Don't write the formula M1x1 plus M2x plus don't write such kind of formula. Okay, try to apply a common sense. How? Look at here. In the given case, first of all, try to prepare a tabular form. What is that? So mass, position x, position y. That's it. Mass m is nothing but at A we have the mass m. So at A mass m coordinate is 0, 0. At B, how much amount of mass located? Again m. And what are the coordinates here? A, 0. And what is the mass at location of C? At here. What is the location of mass? M. And what is the location? A by 2, root 3 by 2 into A. We may get a doubt. Sir, how it is root 3 by 2 A? My dear friends, look at here. When you try to prepare something like a right angle triangle, this is height of the triangle, this is side A, and here 60 degrees given. Let us take sine 60. Sine 60 degrees is equal to, what you write down? Opposite side by hypotenuse. So therefore you can write down as what? H is equal to, you can write down as root 3 by 2 into A we can write down. Therefore this C position, okay, this is at a height of what? H in the figure. Now that H will be equal to root 3 by 2 into A we wrote. Now how to apply the formula? Look at carefully. Now what is the total mass? 3m. You can write down directly. Summation of all masses 3m. I wrote here. And m1 x1 0, no need. m2 x2 m into A plus m3 x3, that means ma by 2 we can write down. Therefore upon solving this you can write down as what? 3ma by 2 into 3m we can write down. 3m gets cancelled. Therefore xc is equal to, you got a by 2. Then next yc. Yc is not m1 y1 0, m2 y2 0, m3 y3. m3 y3 means how much we have? M into root 3 by 2a divided by, you can write down as 3m. Total mass is nothing but 3m. Therefore upon cancellation, what? M and m, root 3 and 3 cancelled by root 3 times. Therefore you can write down as a by 2 root 3 we can write down. Therefore the center of mass of this particular system xc, yc given by a by 2, a by 2 root 3. So this is the position of center of mass for the triangular arrangement system. Now, let us see the third case. When you consider the first case, 2 masses are there. In the second case, we have 3 masses. In the third case, we just increased one more mass. So therefore, total number of masses are 4 in the given problem. Now, for this particular 4 particle, how to prepare the center of mass? Let us see. So try to prepare a tabular form here. So the first one is given by what? Mass of the system, x position and y position. At A, we have the mass of m at origin 0, 0. So that means the first one. Second one is B, having the mass m, locate distance of A. Therefore, B having mass m, coordinates is nothing but A, 0. And C, upon resolving the side B into components B cos theta and B sin theta, then from origin to that of this final point here, okay, total distance will be A plus B cos theta. Therefore, for C, mass m, A plus B cos theta is the x coordinate and y coordinate will be from here to here height is there B sin theta. Therefore, you can write down as B sin theta in the problem. Next, consider point D. Point D simply contains mass of m. Now we try to resolve this B into this is B cos theta and this is B sin theta. Therefore, simply can write down as B cos theta and as well as B sin theta. We can write down like this. Now apply our technique. What is the technique I given just now? Try to add the all masses. Take the total sum. What's the total sum here? 4m. This is the total sum. So therefore, total denominator will be equal to 4m. m1 x1 0, m2 x2 ma. So ma plus next ma plus mb cos theta. Next, last one is mb cos theta again. Now, by 4. Upon solving this, we have ma plus ma, 2ma, mb cos theta plus mb cos theta, 2mb cos theta. Denominator 4m is there. Upon cancellation, we have a plus b cos theta by 2. This is the value. And yc. Now, in the yc, we can write down as what? m1, m1, y1. m2, y2, both are 0. Therefore, m3, y3. That means you can write down as mb sin theta plus mb sin theta divided by, you can write down as 4m, which is equal to, again 2m gets cancelled. We can write down as b sin theta by 2. One can prepare like this. Now, the last case, let us see. Now, in the given problem, let n number of masses m1, m2, m3, m4, m5 dash mn. So, n number of masses are located in the 3-dimensional space. Then, in such a case, we have simply RCOM bar is equal to, you can write down as XCI plus YCJ plus ZCK, you can write down. Where XC is equal to, you can write down as sigma MI by sigma Mi, and YC is equal to sigma MI by sigma Mi, and ZC is equal to sigma Mi by sigma Mi. So by using these formulas, you can substitute it and then you can find the value of center of mass of the system for multi-particle cases. Okay. Let us consider the question number 1. In the question number 1, let the masses of m, 2m, 3m, 4m nm are located at x, 2x, 3x, 4x nx on the x-axis. Then the location of center of mass is given by how much they are asking. So, how to solve this particular problem? Let us see. Now, let us consider that this is the coordinate axis and this is the 0, 0, let us take, and first mass m1, second mass m2, m3 mn mass. All masses are located at distances of x, 0, and next one is 2x, 0. Like this positions are given. Then the formula of the center of mass XCOM is equal to sigma MIXI by sigma Mi. This is the formula for this particular case. Now in the given case, XCOM is equal to M1 X1. So therefore what do you write down here? m into x plus m2 into x2. That means nothing but 2m into 2x plus m3 x3. That means 3m into 3x plus dash 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 nm into nx whole divided by, you can write down as a summation of all masses, means m plus 2m plus 3m plus dash 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 nm we can write down. This is given by, upon making mx as common in the numerator, then you can write down as simply 1 plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dash dash dash, we have n square whole divided by, you can write down as a summation of all masses, therefore you can make m as common, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dash 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 n we can write down. Now this particular formula is belongs to summation of squares of n natural numbers, and the denominator number belongs to summation of n number of natural numbers. So the formula for the upper statement is given by n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 whole divided by m into, you can write down as n into n plus 1 by 2 we can write down. Now in the given case, n plus 1 cancel, 2 and 6 cancel by 3 times, m and m gets cancelled here, and then n and n also cancel, and then final result of the system is given by 2n plus 1 by 3 into x.